Right, today guys, we're just going to go over some of the mixes. So there's 3 different products that we're going to talk about today. There's going to be the 1 to 4 part ratio mix, which is a lot of the non-alcoholic, and then you've got your 333, which is 1 to 1 part, so 1 part concentrate, 1 part water. That's the product that already has the alcohol base. And then we've got the 333 product. You can have that as a mocktail product, which is 1 part to 4 part, or you can add the alcohol base. To do so, just check the PDF online on how to make that ratio mix. So guys, before we start pouring, you just want to give the bottle a good shake, as it could be sitting for a little bit, and then what you want to do, take that lid off. Now let's say this is the 1 part to 4 parts, so the 1 part is going to go up to the 1 litre. Now it's crucial, you just want to make sure it's right on that line. You want to be very accurate with this measurement because it could damage a machine. So just making sure it's on a nice level platform, and then just making sure you're coming down to eye level and checking that it's exactly on that line. So let's say that is our 1 to 4 parts, so 1 part product, and then now you can fill it up to the 5 litre mark and pour that into the machine. Now let's say this product is now the 333 product, it's 50-50, you're just going to go right up to the 250. So again, making sure you're really accurate, right on that line, and then right up to the 5 litre mark, and then you can pour that one in. Now it's crucial throughout the night, if you do have extra mix and you've got some space in the fridge, is make another batch up and leave it in there, as it's going to really reduce your cooling time, and just do regular top ups on the machine throughout the evening, as it will just keep you running nice and smoothly.